Welcome, here I've got Nokia G50 5G and let me show you how to manage camera watermarks at this device. So let's start by tapping on camera button to open it, and for now we are on standard photo mode. From here let's go to left corner button. When we pick it, we can open camera settings. Now let's slide a little bit and focus on photo category. Here at the last position we have watermark option, so let's pick it. And as you can see, here we are, we have many things we can manage. Let me start with personal message watermark. By using the button from the right, we can easily turn it on or turn it off. And as you can see, when we try to turn it on, we have to write our own personal message. So this is kind of custom watermark here. Let me write here hard reset, for example. Now we have to save it by tapping on OK button. And here in the preview we can see how it looks like. We can also slide down and pick between many of the view of these watermarks. So this is really wide choice and wide spectrum. We have options with photograph or without photograph. So you can tap to whatever you need and like the most. And the second option here we can add to our picture is information watermark with device name. So also let's tap to the right button to turn it on. And for now we have Nokia G50 options here in this preview also. And this is how it looks like. You can tap to whatever you need and check how it looks like at the preview. When we slide down, we have also option with personalized image. So here we can add our own watermark. We can prepare our image and upload it here, for example from our recent pictures, and it also appears here in the preview. So this is really cool option. Now let me keep this turned off. Let's focus on the personal message with information. I want to show also that when we move to the last position, live preview, we can turn off and turn on the option that shows us the watermark before we take a picture in camera viewfinder. So let's turn on these two ones and pick, for example, this one. And when we move back to the camera, we have it in the preview here. Also now let me take a picture to show you how it looks like at the real photo. To see my photo we have to go to right to the button that follows us straight to the gallery, and this is how it looks like with watermark in the left corner at the bottom. We can also get closer to it here. And of course when we don't need it or need another composition with watermarks, we have to move back to camera, then to left corner settings, slide down a little bit to photo category and tap here to use this as we need or just turn them off. And that's all, thanks for watching, subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.